Hello guys, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner. If this is your first time, I really want to give you a warm welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell as well to turn on the post notification so that you can know when my next video is up. Okay guys, so in today's video, as you can see here, I'm displaying some items here. What I have is some elbow macaroni, Libby's corned beef, and as you all can see, my veggies. So what I have here is bell pepper, yellow and green, and onions, and this is hot Scotch bonnet pepper, and as well I have a 1/3 of salt. This pot here is just displaying, you know, water and a little butter with this salt, and I'm going to be adding to the water. So I add half of that really to the water, and I'm now going to put this on the stove to bring it to a boil, because I'm going to be adding half of this box of elbow macaroni to this water to be cooked. So stay tuned guys, and we'll continue from there. So guys, over here on the stove is a pot with oil that I went ahead, I turned on the stove and it's heated. And now guys, I'm gonna add the veggies to the heated oil. While my veggies is being sauteed, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cooked macaroni. So it's cooked guys, and now gonna add it to the saute so that they both can, you know, blend in together with that nice flavor of the veggies, onions and pepper and all of that. Guys, once more I am back, and this time I am back with the corned beef, and now I'm going to put the corned beef in. It's a bit, you know, hard to come out, so you have to just take your time and just use a fork just to pull out corned beef.